On today's episode, we are trying to get the engine unlocked.
Welcome to Fixin.
So right now we're trying to get the engine to turn over. It's really locked up, and I'm just trying to complete a mission of Harrison's, which was to get this radiator hose off, and it's so hard. So yeah.
Okay, recording. So you have enough room on the breaker bar to, you're probably gonna hit the fan.
Did I move or did it strip?
I didn't see, I wasn't paying attention.
Bennett,
Try to go back the other way with it. Or click down a couple. Yeah, it's turning. Yep.
With hesitation.
Yep. We got turnage. Okay.
Not willing turnage.
Well, okay, well maybe click it the other way and get it to kind of rotate back the other way a little bit.
Have to force it, baby it through.
Not happy.
Not happy?
Not happy.
Okay, go back the other way.
I mean, none of it's happy. It's
Yeah, well, just be easy with it. Click it a little bit at a time. There you go. You may have been at the top of a
power stroke.
stroke. Yeah, compression. All the spark plugs have been taken out, right?
Yeah.
You take all the spark plugs out to help with the compression, to ease the compression. We're going to try to turn it over. Try to do a good 360-degree rotation over just to make sure you don't have anything crazy going on.
Taking the radiator off, so when we put the wrench down here and put the breaker bar, we can have more rotation because somewhat of the fan or radiator is blocking it. So I'm just gonna keep doing this for a while.
Where's that there? Two set cables.
Well, it took me 20 years, but I finally got the radiator. Oh my gosh, unbolted the other water.
Heavy, you know?
The radiator hose is stuck. We gotta get it out from under here.
Okay.
I'm hooked. On a hook? Okay, got it. That took me an hour. Just gonna spray the
All right, so now take just a little bit of, well, just do it one by one instead of squirting PB Blaster all in your hand. Just do a little squirt on it, on the threads. That's good, that's good. And then just thread it back into where it was so we don't lose them. So they, other way around, that's lefty, the other way. You gotta do it backwards, the way, if you're looking at it. So just a little squirt, you don't need a ton. That's good.
Oh, that one's hard. Probably put it in wrong. I'm probably screwing through. yourself, please. You need to be right there. Okay. Just a little extra PB Buster just for a good measure. And a couple prayers, and that'll be fine. Now that we have the radiator off, we have all this room to take the breaker bar and go
break
back
things.
and forth with it.
Here, click it
The other way.
Yeah. Okay, we don't need it. Here, put a shorter extension on it.
Sure. Yep. Good. Don't pinch me. Yeah, we're moving. So while we were turning the motor over, we heard a really weird clicking sound. So we decided to stop and take the starter out and see if there was a problem with it.
I got the starter out, so now I'm going to bench test it without electrocuting myself. It's the key.
Keep putting it on, keep putting it on. It works.
Actually, I'm not sure. Because this is supposed to do stuff. Maybe this is supposed to be clamped. I don't know. I have to do my research. 'Cause this does things, but I don't see any missing teeth, which is good. Alright, well now I guess I'll check the flywheel. So I have a problem that everybody else makes. As soon as I got the starter out, you know, I'm curious. I haven't seen something like this, so I twist on it. You're not supposed to do that apparently, because now it's stuck here, and you know you can't get it to go back down. There's just you can't. It's got to go. This is supposed to come up here, and you know. Okay. So what you got to do is figure out which way it's spinning, which is going to be clockwise. And then take this and turn it on full speed and then pry this over until it goes all the way down without creating a ballistic missile.
Well, you gonna do it?
I'm gonna try.
Wait, he can't do it by himself.
Yeah, I can.
Excuse the dogs,
Without
everyone.
shooting it. Okay. So, if we're going this way, or maybe...
Maybe I should move too. I can't tell. Oh boy.
Oh, well, what do we have to lose?
Our lives?
Hang on, the chair's in the way, guys.
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
3, 2, do I just hold it on there? Wait, just tell me when to stop. Do it again.
Let me watch the video again.
Oh my god. I think you're gonna have to put it back on that one. Like, that's not really voice. Yeah, it ain't doing nothing.
Do you like not?
Two, one, here we go. Okay. Did you get it?
No. It's supposed to come like all the way out.
We'll keep trying. You want to try it again?
That, no. I think that's what you're trying to. I think that's the mistake that people make. And then you have to try it.
Do it again.
No. But this one isn't like that. It's different. I don't know. Well, we got it to roll over by hand. So now it's time for a break and an RC cola and a moon pie. Please like and subscribe and catch us on our next video.